Hello guys, let's draw a rainbow snail. First, we're going to be drawing the body of the snail. So, draw a big curve that narrows slightly at the end and comes out again. Then we're going to draw the rest of the body. Just draw two long lines and connect them to the head. Now we can draw the eyes and the mouth very simply and easily like this. And then draw a pair of antennae at the tip of the head. For its shell, we're going to draw a rainbow-like shape. We will start by drawing a small curve, but make it a bit long. Then we can draw a scuffed curve to make the shell more creative. Next, we're going to draw 3 more other curves. Finally, we can add decorations like dots and lines to make the snail more flashy. And there we go, we're done with our cute snail. Now let's add the colors. Light orange. Red. Pink. Yellow. Green. Blue.